Hello. Here in the camper, getting ready to winterize it for the winter, which is a sad day for us. That means it's going to be a long time before we get to camp again. But, oh well, I guess that's what happens. I'm in our hideout, the Keystone Hideout 27DBS. It's a 2017, and that's what I'm getting ready to winterize. So, if you've never done it before, you can watch along wrong or tell me what I'm doing wrong. But what I did was I bought this hose here, and it has an adapter that you can fit quart jugs. It's actually got it out of the motor oil department. Then you connect the bigger jug, and it has an on and off valve. Just turn it. But I'll take and hook this directly to my pump. I'll show you that. Okay, so we're underneath the sink, and the pump is located back in there, which you can't see because they have these screws. Those screws are square head. So take those, there's 3 of them, take those 3 out to get to the pump. Okay, now that I had the panel out of the way, you can see the pump and hot water heater. Now what I've done on my pump is there is a right there. That's just a worm clamp. Like a little worm clamp. It did have the PEX connectors like this, and I cut those off and just used that so I can. There's a better picture of it. I use that so I can take it on and off easier. But here's the valve for the bypass. Turn it like that. Now I bypass the hot water heater, so cold will come straight up. Now this way, won't go in. So we're good there. Now I'll take that loose and get ready to hook my jug up. Okay, I took this loose from the pump because I'm having a little hard time pulling this out of here because it's cold and it's stiff now. So I'm going to try to just put a little heat to it, heat it up a little bit, maybe make it soft, a little more flexible, and try to pull it out. So we'll pause it and get right back. There it is. This is the O-ring part that goes into the pump, and it's just got a little holder that right there that you can see. You just push it out away from the pump, and this right here will slide right out. Okay, right now I just have my jug sitting on top of my hot water tank, and the hose run down to the pump. Now I'm going to take and poke a small hole in that jug there where the air pocket's at, so that it can draw air in as it's pulling the antifreeze out, so it don't collapse the jug. Okay, so we got the pump on. Let's try it. There she comes. Now that's running. We look at it, draining it down. Looking good. Pump kicks off. And we'll just do this. Keep an eye on the jug. Make sure we don't suck it dry. Then I had to pull my slide out so I can get back here to the bathroom. I got it, and I have it, and I have a outside kitchen I got to do, and then I have to do the outside shower. Once I do all that, and the toilet. Don't forget the toilet and the shower inside. But after I do that, then I will pour some rest of that down in the drains, down in the toilet and all that, so everything will have some antifreeze in it. One thing I did forget to mention that I done was not on video, but I went ahead and drained my hot water tank, and it takes a 15/16 or 24 millimeter socket, wrench, whatever you want to use, to take the drain plug out. But I done that before it started getting real cold. Okay, so you all that have this style connector for your sink faucet, but when you go to turn this off and disconnect this, if you take and hold your thumb over the end, it won't let any of the water or antifreeze at this time drain out of the bottom, and then you can move it real fast over here to the sink catch pan and let it drain there. I always do cold water and hot water separate. That way I know it's in both lines. Because there's a little bit. Now, got more pink there, so we're good. Now, I'll do show you what I'm talking about. Turn it on, turn it off. All right. Now there's still my thumb's over the end. I take and unhook it, and I real quickly like bring it over here, and you can see how much water antifreeze it saved from going all over the counter. Okay, so what I ended up doing on this, just cut a little hole here. I started out with that, and then I remembered, oh yeah, you can't do that like that. So I done it like this, and just kind of add to it as I need to. This isn't the best setup in the world, I agree, but what little bit I actually use it, it works great for me. Once a year. Alright, so I filled it up, and we'll start. I don't know if it's turned on or off, so that's hot. Let it run. Kind of hard to tell if there's any red. There we go. Yeah, I can see it now. Turn the hot off. Turn the cold on. See, you can tell it's color change. I can in the sun. Let it run for a little bit. Turn it off. I can see through. I'll drain the hot water tank. I'll show you it. Plug right there. This is, heck is beeping. This is window screen out of a house, aluminum.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Bye!